The previous owner of this bike warned me that he changed the oil once. He didn't really own it very long. And I'm going to find the part number here. Anyway, he noticed that the oil drain plug kind of twisted a little bit too far, and he's like, "Oh crap!" So he did say that when he sold me the bike and gave me this box of stuff, that there's something in here that I may be interested in, which is this heavy duty oil filler retrofit that Beta actually sells for $86 on their website. So he said, "You're probably going to need this." I'm going to go ahead and retrofit it now. So it looks like it comes with a tap and then a little stopper here so you don't tap too far into the engine. And then here's your new drain plug. So we're going to compare this to the old one, see what it looks like. But this says it appears there's no magnetic elements to this, which is kind of a bummer. Yeah, no magnetic elements. So let's get into the bike and get started. Now that we've drained the oil out, looking at these two side by side, this is the OEM one. You can see it has about 8 or 9 threads, all really tiny. Some are slightly shaved. This one is indeed a tad bit wider than the other one. Same inner diameter for the filter, but the threads are less of them, but larger threads. So I guess I can understand the appeal of this upgrade, and they do sell it for a reason. And now that I have it, I'm gonna go ahead and use it. So I'm gonna get my tap kit out, and we're going to get this going. The only downside though is occasionally a bit of oil will drip down my hands, but pretty much all of it's out by now. Just a little bit more in there.